Hi there. What I have today is a lock pinned by Albert Labelle called DISMAY, and it is taped up so we can't see the bitten of the key. It came in this lovely little bag. Hopefully we can pick this on camera and take a look to see what's inside. I will be using pin side tension. There's pin 3, pin 5, got a little slight movement out of 1. That was a bit of slipping off the warden there. Pin 2, got a bit of a false set there. Pin 1. Click out to pin 4, but we've lost our false set now. Lighten up my tension a little bit, and we've got our false set back. I think that's pin 3. There we go, pin 3, and we do have it picked. So let's take a look, see what's inside. Put this light on so we can get a better look inside and see the pins and stuff. Just nearly span it all the way around, didn't hold onto the back there. And just thinking how I can take this off here. I will shim it. I know it didn't seem like there was anything out the ordinary in it, but you never know, as it is a challenge lock. So we have threading in 2. That's undercut in 3. And the rest feels standard. Yep, the rest feels standard, so we'll dump them out. Standard in 1. Serrated in 2. Standard in 3. Looks like wide serrations in 4. And a sort of torpedo pin in 5. Let's take a look upstairs. standard in 1. Little brass spring. Serrations in 2. Same brass spring. That's a pin in pin, because I've just dropped part of it there. And that was a wafer as well. And that was I think it looks a little bit stronger brass spring. We've got a sort of mushroom type pin. I don't know, we'll take a closer look at that in a minute. With a long brass spring. I'll get that last one from the back. And again, another standard. With a nice brass spring again. It doesn't look like there's any modifications. No, I can't see any modifications to the Bible. So we'll take a little closer look at these. So standards in 1. In 2 we have serrated all the way through. 3 we've got a pin in pin with serrations and a standard key pin, and then a wafer up the top. I don't think that would have come into play very much if that was protecting it. That's a very deep serration, very sharp edge there. So sort of it catches like a spool, but a lot tighter, and another standard with a sort of torpedo keeping. So there you have it. The Albert label. Oh, we haven't even took a look at the key yet. So now that bit in there, that doesn't look like much whatsoever. You could probably rake that open, but it was a lot more fun to pick it. So yeah, thank you for sending it, Leon, and thank you everyone for watching it. I hope you like it, and bye for now.